To enable server timeout settings on your PlayStation 5, follow these straightforward steps. This will help you manage your online gaming experience effectively. Step 1. Access settings. Navigate to the home screen of your PlayStation 5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Go to network. In the settings menu, scroll down and select the network option to access your network settings. Step 3. Select connection status. Within the network menu, choose connection status to view your current network connection details and settings. Step 4. Adjust timeout settings. Look for the option related to server timeout settings. Depending on your system version, you may find options to adjust the timeout duration for online connections. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the settings menu. This will apply the new server timeout settings to your PlayStation 5. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your server timeout settings on your PlayStation 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.